Hello, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to show you if the X Factor 2.0 really works. Are you hurting for someone and want to get back together with that person? Factor 2.0 teaches you how to make that person beg to get back with you. This is a review of X Factor 2.0, an updated version of the X Factor guide by Brad Browning. The X Factor 2.0 will teach you how you can get your ex back, so let's get to the review. If you want X Factor 2.0, just access the link in the description and guarantee yours now if you don't like it or it doesn't work for you. Then you can count on the 2-month guarantee where 100% of your money is returned to you. No questions asked. Introduction about the X Factor 2.0. The X Factor 2.0 is a program that teaches every man and woman tricks to put their ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend at their feet. The author of Brad Browning has spent years applying and testing the techniques you'll find in X Factor 2.0 so you can get your ex back. Even if you think it's impossible, you will learn how to use these techniques to compel your ex to fall in love with you all over again, forever. Does the X Factor 2.0 really work? The answer is yes. The X Factor 2.0 teaches advanced techniques that will make your ex beg to come back to you, whether you are male or female. The X Factor 2.0 has already helped thousands of men and women get their relationships back. And not only that, it will also teach you how to maintain your relationship so that this never happens again. What if it doesn't work for me? If it doesn't work for you, which is very unlikely to happen, you'll have 2 months to ask for your money back, so you have nothing to lose with the full 60-day money-back guarantee. This guarantee guarantees that there is zero risk of the product not working because the X Factor 2.0 will really make your ex come back to you and rekindle that spark you had at the beginning of your relationship. What's in X Factor 2.0? The X Factor 2.0 comes 163-page interactive ebook, 20-part video course, 3-part bonus video series, 10 Commandments of Sexual Attraction, ebook, 7 Steps to Sex Appeal, ebook, Lawless Physique Fitness Guide, ebook. Some comments from people who bought the product. Okay, guys, let me just say that Brad Browning is a genius. His book basically saved my relationship, and it only took like 2 weeks. If you're considering buying Brad's book, here's my advice. Do it. What's up, Brad? Just wanted to send you my testimonial since your program worked so well. Don't think I could have gotten back together with my ex if I hadn't signed up to your program. Absolutely awesome stuff. Thanks and a lot, man. I guess I owe you a beer, haha. Hi, Brad, here is a testimonial for you, because your emails and book were the reason my ex is back in my arms again. So thank you for all your help and advices. I am so happy now to have her back with me. Wish you all the best, and thanks again. Thanks for watching this far, and if you want to get back with your ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend, don't waste time and visit the link in the description of this video before it's too late. Have a great day.